I'm reading what every programmer should know about memory, so you don't have to, part 6. In this video, we're going to talk about how DRAM works, aka your main memory. This is the circuit of dynamic memory. It consists of one transistor and one capacitor. The capacitor holds the state, either 0 or 1, while the transistor guards the circuit until it's actually being accessed. Once the circuit's been accessed, it transmits that capacitor value onto the data line, aka DL. What makes DRAM slower than SRAM is the fact that a capacitor needs time to charge and discharge. On top of this, the capacitor also leaks its state over time. This means that the capacitor has to constantly be charged every 64 milliseconds. And on top of that, it seems that it's about 50% of the time the operation that the computer is trying to operate is stalled by this recharge time. If something was a little bit confusing, feel free to put a comment below. If not, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.